Alright guys, what's up? It's your boy B Skeezy, signing on for Rich Birds Loft. I paired my birds up today. I got 6 males, 6 females, 6 nesting bowls. Let's see what happens. Those are all cocks right there. Guess they trying to establish who's gonna be the boss. Those two been paired up for about 5 years now. They haven't seen each other all winter. Yep, they right to it. Oh yeah, they right to it. This black right here, he was paired up to that peanut butter down there in the corner down there. So, he a youngster right there. That's his father right there. That's that stray right there. Remember that stray we caught last year? That's her right there. These two probably pair up, that one and this one. I don't know, she might not breed with nobody in here, so we'll see. Finally paired them up, man. Let's see what 2020 got to bring. A lot of people already breeding their birds, but it's been so cold around here, man. It's been ridiculous. So I wanted to put them together on Valentine's Day, but I had too much going on, so they're together now. Right now they just picking their bowls, picking their spots, picking their mate. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Alright man, just wanted to let y'all know what's going on over here at Rich Birds Loft. We still around, we just moving a little different, that's all. Signing out.